Hi, Brian Parsons with the Parsons Real Estate team. Today I want to give you an update what's going on with insurance and residential real estate. A lot of companies like Progressive, Allstate, State Farm are no longer giving policies in the state of California. What's happened is the cost for replacement of a property if we had caught fire or had a flood has gotten too expensive. So they decided they're not going to do it anymore. Typically the first thing we do when we open an escrow is we call and schedule an inspection. Well, now I recommend calling to see if you can get insurance on the property. Premiums are getting pretty expensive. I've seen them over $1,000. What we need to do is go back to our lenders and talk to them to make sure that the debt to income ratio hasn't changed, because this can affect the buying power of you or the buyer that's buying your property. What I don't want to happen is that we get 25 days into escrow and a buyer can't get insurance. So I'm going to go ahead and let's line that up immediately to make sure that we're covered. The good news is you're not going to lose your current policy and they're not going to cancel you unless you stop making payments. But if you're a seller, we need to call around and see what insurance companies are offering insurance in your area, especially if you're in a high risk area for fires. The last thing I want to happen is that we get 30 days in, ready to close, and all of a sudden the buyer doesn't have insurance. If you have any more questions on this, feel free to give me a call, 626-340-8050. Thanks so much for your time. Take care.